In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photos on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's look with new images or updating your portfolio, Squarespace offers a seamless process for personalizing your site. Let's dive right into how you can swap out old photos for new ones in just 5 minutes. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. For those of you who use Google as your primary email service, you'll find the Continue with Google option especially handy. Click on that and then select your Google account to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get to your website. You can access your site directly by following the link provided, or simply navigate to the specific site you're looking to edit from your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're on the home page of your website, look for the Edit option. This will take you into the editing mode where you can make changes to various aspects of your site, including the images. When you're in edit mode, navigate to the image you're looking to replace. With Squarespace's intuitive interface, this should be as simple as clicking on the image in question. With the image selected, you'll see an Edit button appear, which you should click next. This brings up several options, but for our purposes, we're interested in the Replace button. Clicking on Replace will prompt you to choose a new image to upload in place of the old one. For those of you looking for high quality images without the hassle of sourcing and uploading your own, Squarespace offers a Browse Stock Images option that's worth exploring. By clicking on this, you'll have access to a library of professional images that you can use on your site. Take some time to browse through these options until you find the perfect image that fits your site's aesthetic. Once you've found the image you wish to use, click on it. After clicking on your new image, you'll see an option to ADD image. Clicking this confirms your selection and adds the new image to your website. The only thing left to do at this point is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it to ensure your website gets updated with the new photo. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a photo on your Squarespace website. Remember, visuals play a crucial role in website design and can significantly impact how visitors perceive your site. Regularly updating your images not only keeps your site looking fresh, but can also improve engagement with your audience. We hope this guide was helpful. Whether you're revamping your entire site or just making a few tweaks, Squarespace makes these processes straightforward and user-friendly. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different images until you find the look that's right for you. Thanks for watching and happy editing.